Drawing Spider-Man. Start by sketching the shapes. Sketch the shape of the head, the sketch of the eyes, then sketch the torso. Now sketch the left leg and foot, then sketch the right leg and foot. Sketch the arms and hands. Add some uniform details. The spider on the chest, the top of the web, and some lines of motion. This way we have a complete base to start including pencil details. Let's start drawing with pencil, starting with the webhead's hands. Now the upper part of the web, some shadows of the hand and the details of the right arm, also defining the parts that will have shadows. Here we will draw some more details of the web. Now let's draw Spider's left arm. We draw the eyes and webs of the mask. Drawing the details of the uniform on the chest, spider, ribs, and some markings for shadows. Here, we will draw the details of the left leg with some hatching, markings for some areas that will be shaded, and of course more details of the webs in the boot. Drawing here the right leg with some hatching, shadow demarcations, and more webs on the boot. movement lines. Lighten the drawing to begin the ink process. If you are using pencil and paper, you can do the same by lightly going over the drawing with an eraser. Let's make the ink now. In this process, it is important to draw the lines with a firm hand, trying to make continuous and precise lines. Let's apply the hatching and the denser shadows too. And we finally finished the Spider-Man drawing. If you liked the content, consider leaving your like and subscribe to the channel. Comment what you thought and which characters you would like to see here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video tutorials.